What is money? Seems like an easy question, right?
Anyone know what this is, class? Anyone? Anyone?
We all know what money is. It's a focal point in our entertainment.
I like money.
Our songs, our shows.
I declare bankruptcy!
It permeates our political world and our daily lives. I mean, self-explanatory, right? Maybe not, but don't be afraid to ask. What is money? To figure out what money is, let's ask another question. Why do we need money? Why doesn't everyone just do their job and make everything free for everyone? Besides, we're all in this for the common good, right?
It's not about money. It's about sending a message.
Well, there are two pretty major issues with this. The first, human nature. A few decently smart people throughout history have had a good go at this one, but I think we can all agree, people don't just take what they need. No matter how hard society tries, there will be some who take advantage of others and abuse the system, which leads to our second issue, scarcity. This is the concept that our world has limited resources. At the end of the day, there's only a set amount of resources on our Earth, and of those resources that we do have, some are more useful than others, and some are more abundant than others. So, there are limited resources on Earth, and everybody wants more than they need. What could be implemented that allows people to get what they need to survive without having to do everything themselves? Trade. As a society, we've learned how to specialize in jobs rather than try to do everything ourselves. Bob here only grows apples, and Jimmy here only makes shirts. If Bob wants a shirt, he can go visit Jimmy and trade some of his apples for a shirt.
I'm gonna take the deal.
Great! Now Bob has clothes, Jimmy has food. This concept is called bartering, and many people still use this system today. But here's the issue. What if Jimmy doesn't want apples?
It's not personal, son. It's strictly business.
Maybe he's more of an orange guy. How is Bob gonna get a shirt now? This problem is solved with money. At its simplest, money is a medium of exchange. It's really more of a concept than an actual object. Money is just a token that everyone agrees has a certain value. Jimmy will accept the money from Bob because he knows that Linda will accept that same money later when he goes to get oranges. And that's how money works. If you found this helpful, please consider supporting me by subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. If you have a question, feel free to comment below, and I or a member of the community can help you. Be sure to check out my other videos on topics you may be too afraid to ask.